over here for a second, dude. Tell me what is going on.
Come on, bro.
What do you mean, come on? I walk in, there are two elderly people here naked.
What do you think I thought, dude?
What kind of sick shit are you in?
Oh, I swear to God. I've done some sick shit, but I've never.
Got a breaking and entering.
But how the
Need to say, excuse me, just for a second, guys.
Dude, this shit's drinking, man.
All right, you do whatever you have to do, man. I need to know if you want to press charges.
Yes. And for live streaming my mom and whipping her.
Whoa! For what? She's the craziest one!
You're standing over someone.
She asked me to rubber back you. Tell him.
I want to press charge.
Oh! Are you ready? Yeah. All right, let's go.
If you want to press charges, that's all I got to do is walk down.
Hey, press charge I want on me.
Well, you drink all you want. You're a sick son of a bitch, dude.
Machine gun time!